Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So, yet another green day. Yesterday, a bit slightly smallish, but I think the important thing to understand is that that monthly bar opened on its low and closed on its high. Okay, it didn't really close in resistance as such. I know we've got lines here, but these are from the lower time frames. So, and it's not really a measured move either. So at the moment, this is looking, we can't really call that an exhaustion bar just yet, but we'd have to wait and see what this month's bar looks like, and based on that we'll understand what's going on. But at my point of view, I think we are looking for probably a bit more of upside at the moment. I still think this measured move to the upside of 15,351 is still on the cards. We are overbought at the moment, extremely overbought. So that is something that you just need to pay attention to. It's extreme risk, basically buying and holding at the moment. Now the other thing to bear in mind is if you look at the last couple of 3 hours, you can see we are ranging. So you'll see it now on the hour. So there is my range. Down to there we go. So there is my range. We've broken a little bit to the upside and we've come back down into that range. So is that a fake out or is that a confirmation of the breakout? I'm uncomfortable buying with levels as high as this. So the reason why I'm uncomfortable is quite simple. If you look at my oscillator on the hour, we are in overbought territory. If we look at it on the 3 hour, we are in overbought territory. If we look at it on the daily, we are heading into overbought territory. In fact, extreme overbought territory. If you look at it on the weekly, overbought. You look at it on the monthly, we are overbought. So now when all your time frames are overbought like that, you chase your longs very cautiously. Okay, so the trend is up. Big question at the moment is, do we have... we don't have any diversions. So the big question at the moment is, are we going to consolidate? We're going to come back and test this 15,000 again and then build some structure for another move to the upside. That is possible. And you can see during the European session, which is basically from here to here, nothing much happened. When the US session opened, then we got to move up. So there are gaps to the downside, as I've pointed out many times. So for me at the moment, the DAX is a little bit scary, so I'll just wait it out for now. There have been a couple of trades. I haven't got any of them. wasn't around for these trades. I was pretty much on taking a break. So at this stage, the last couple of days hasn't really been an opportunity to jump in on this, and I'm scared to jump in where it is at the moment. So what my plan of action at the moment is looking for opportunities to buy. The trend is up. Even if we look at the 15-minute, the trend is definitely up. But I'm not really interested in 40-point moves at the moment. So we'll wait for some structure, and I am concerned with all these gaps to the downside. There's lots of little gaps all the way down. So I'm probably going to sit on my hands for this one. There is some structure here at 14,933, and that looks like, if I can just find my range. Okay, so we could pick that up there, but then this gap would close. So this area down here is an area that I'd be interested in buying. So that's between 14,864 and between 14,906. So 14,900 probably is the area that I would be looking to buy into. So short week, last day of the week at the moment, and long weekend ahead of us. Not really interested in buying anything and holding that at the moment. So for the DAX, sitting on hands, I'll wait for next week, or just wait for some better structure at the moment. Right now there's very little on offer. I want to see a deeper pullback, and even if we get a deeper pullback on the hour, you can see how far away we are from the moving averages. Even something as deep as that, which would really excite me, is still well within the uptrend. So that's what I'm waiting for in the DAX. I'm waiting for some kind of a deep pullback. And remember, that's where Fibonacci also comes in. So, that is a top. Looking for a 50% retracement, at least look, there's a gap right there at the 50%, 61.8, and we're still in the upward trend. So that's kind of the structure I'm looking for at the moment. And if I just delete all the noise, you'll see inside bar form. So it is possible, but it would be a break below 15,000. And the other thing that could transpire is we just head sideways on 15,000, oscillators start moving down, grouping to the downside, and we just consolidate above 15,000. That would also be a bullish signal as well. So anyway, enough muttering and rambling from my side. What we're looking for is opportunities to buy. I don't see them right now, but it may transpire. But I think for me, the safest option on the DAX is leave it alone. I think the S&P's got a bit of a better opportunity to bounce, so there's definitely a strong magnet ahead of it before the close of the week, which is the 4,000 range. So that's kind of where my focus will be today. Anyway, hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.